Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I got another unboxing video to share with you, and it's a return of a subscription box I haven't unboxed on my channel for a couple of months. And it is Latest Beauty, and this is the new season beauty edit for October. This is what the box looks like. Give you a sneak peek into what the insides look like. I'll go through everything one by one, showing you exactly what's in there. But before I do that, I will just give you a quick lowdown, tell you all about Latest Beauty. But if you've seen it all before and you just want to get into seeing what I've chosen, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Latest Beauty is a UK only beauty subscription box. It's a monthly subscription box where you get to choose the items yourself. You get to choose 6 products, and if you are a new subscriber, you will pay £12.95 and then £3.95 shipping on top. But if you continue with your subscription for at least 3 months, then your 4th month onwards, your shipping will be dropped, so you'll just be paying £12.95. They release products daily, but you don't know exactly what products are going to be released when. So the good thing about Latest Beauty is that as soon as you've paid for your subscription, you don't have to choose your products straight away. My best advice is to start, if you're interested in starting a subscription, do it at the start of the month, because then you've got the whole of the month then to choose your products. You've got until the next time when your payment is due. If you don't choose by the end of the month, then they'll send you random products. Some products are amazing and they can sell out, so there's that to bear in mind as well. But that is my sort of tip. Take out a subscription at the start and then you've got longer then to choose your products. Once you become a Latest Beauty Pro, which means you've subscribed to this subscription box for more than 3 months, that will entitle you to have discounts off their collection boxes, which are their limited edition boxes, which they bring out every couple of weeks or so, roughly monthly, every 6 weeks. But they bring out these amazing boxes jam-packed full of products, and you just buy them as one-offs. They're not part of the subscription. So all links and everything related to this box, including any discounts for free shipping, etc., I'll pop down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out or you want to know a little bit more, then please ask away in the comments. But let's get on to showing you what I chose this month. I forgot to say, I should have said right at the start, but this box was kindly gifted to me. Latest Beauty have added me onto their PR list, so they kindly send me boxes. Well, they send me a code to use, so I'm able to choose the products I want, but I get it for free. So in exchange for just showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. So by the time you watch this, it might be a little bit too late, but in all their October boxes, they gave everyone a free hand sanitizer, and this is an Estee Lauder hand sanitizer, and there was 200 ml. That's not to say that there won't be a free gift in November. There could well be. As soon as I find out, I will let you know. I'll pop it down in the description. So yeah, so that was the little freebie there, which I thought was handy. So another thing that Latest Beauty do is bring out a Hall of Fame product. So every month they choose a product that is released onto their website from the first of the month until the end of the month. And if they've got any left over at the end of the month, it then gets added into the edit for the following month. So for this month, we've got a little mini. This is a Laura Mercier lipstick. It's in A La Rose. So it's a little teeny tiny one. But this is their Hall of Fame product. That's a lovely shade. A nice rosy shade. Gotta be careful I don't press too hard or else it'll come off. Hold on, let's roll it down a bit. There. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's really nice. So that's the first item I chose. Next is something I've chosen before. I received it in a different subscription box a couple of months ago, and then I saw this featured in Latest Beauty. I think it was last month or the month before, and I had to get it, and then I saw it again, so I had to get another one. This is by the brand Nourished, and it's the Inner Beauty Stack. It strengthens nails, hair growth and anti-aging, plastic-free, sugar-free and vegan. And you can see what it looks like there. They're about 1/2 inch thick. Now you can get these on subscription, so I was thinking about doing this, looking into it and getting it on subscription. It is quite pricey, but then it contains an amazing amount of vitamins and minerals, and yeah, I just think it's really, really good. In all honesty, the taste is not great. You might like it. You might be completely different to me, but I don't like the taste, so I'm like, when I take them, it's like chewing them, have a drink, get them down quick as possible. You've got like a sugary coating on top as well, but yeah, But it's just like thinking of what they do, you know. Cell rejuvenator, skin restorer, glow giver, anti-aging powerhouse, collagen booster, antioxidative stress protector, and glucose regulator. Just sounds perfect. Sounds perfect. I'll show you what they look like. They come in little packages like this. Here. It's something I've had before. I've had it twice before in different boxes, so I thought I'd have it again. Now the next 4 items are all by the same brand. Now and again, Latest in Beauty release a huge set of products all from the same brand, and they usually release them all in the same week. So we've had lots of different brands in the past, and this time we have got Skin Sense. Now I've never heard of this before. It's by Abby Cleve and it's an anti-aging range, and I've got 4 different products. And I think there was about 6 or 7 altogether on their website. I can't remember now. It was, how long ago did I order this? About a week ago. Something like that. Anyway, it's a really good chance to actually buy like a whole skincare regime at, you know, for £12.95, which I think is really affordable. It depends, isn't it, what you think of the products, but I thought this was quite good. I love a cleanser, go through cleansers like anything, so. But this is a Purifying Double Cleanse, and it's a 2-in-1 solution, cleansing and caring, and 200 mils. It says, enriched with essential active ingredients to hydrate and moisturize, this rich formula deeply clarifies and removes pollutants and the grime of the day, leaving the skin feeling soothed, hydrated, and exceptionally cleansed, dermatologically tested. That's a nice big size there. Next we've got an anti-aging targeted wrinkle defense. It's long lasting laminar technology. We've got 15 mils there. This targeted concentrate has been specifically developed to reduce the appearance of deep expression lines and wrinkles by hydrating and firming delicate skin. Oh, I love these. See these roll-ons? They're just really nice and cooling. Yeah, I really like that. So there's that. Next we've got a Replenishing neck and a Decollete cream. Decollete. I never can say that properly. And we got 100 mils there. A deeply hydrating neck and Decollete cream to retain the skin's optimal water content and stimulate the renewal of the skin's natural defense barrier. Utilizing the latest laminar technology, skin is deeply nourished, moisturized and visibly improved. So that's what it looks like there. Blend that in a little bit there. That is so nice. It feels really, really nice. It feels almost like a serum. It feels like a serum, and it's just got a really nice, light, fresh scent. So yeah, so something from my neck down. And then lastly, I've got a night cream, and this is from the anti-aging range, and this is a highly potent night cream, and there's 50 mils here. A rich and highly potent night cream to revitalize and intensely hydrate the skin overnight. This unique formula with patented laminar technology, what is that? I've never heard of that before, replenishes the skin after exposure to environmental aggressors and delivers a long-lasting, hydrated and healthy glow to the skin. Love a night cream. Love a night cream. Ooh, smart packaging there. It feels different to the neck cream. The neck cream has left my skin feeling really nice and soft. It's more like a serum sort of formula upon application. This one is a little bit thicker. It is creamier. It's left like a really nice sort of balm on my skin, which is what I tend to go for. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up. I can't hold them all, so I'm just going to give you a recap. So I've got a Skin Sense, a double cleanse. I've got a Skin Sense neck and Decollete cream. I've got a Skin Sense anti-aging night cream. I've got a Skin Sense anti-aging targeted wrinkle cream. I've got the Hall of Fame product for October, and it's the Laura Mercier a la Rose little mini lipstick. I've got Nourish, the Inner Beauty Stack, a 7-day supplement. And lastly, the freebie item that everyone would have received, which is an Estee Lauder hand sanitizer. I'm really chuffed with the items I've picked. The 4 skincare products products. As I've said, I don't know anything about them really, so I'm going to have to look into them. Yeah, some products I've had before, some I haven't. So yeah, no, I'm really chuffed. And I think for £12.95, especially if you've been a subscriber for longer than 3 months, I think, yeah, it's a really good price. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this subscription? What do you think of the products I chose? Or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.